Maplewood Toyota welcomes your interest in one of our great vehicles that comes equipped with black roof rails, rear view camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto high beam headlamp control, rear spoiler, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, keyless entry, speed sensing steering, electronic stability control, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. From sales and finance to service and parts, Maplewood Toyota's team members stand ready to serve. Visit us today. We look forward to meeting you.